Dear students, today I'm going to tell you about the letters, how to write it. As you all know that a letter can be categorized into two types. One is formal letters and one is informal letter. First, we'll read about the informal letters. Informal letters, also known as a personal letters, that are written to parents, siblings, relatives and friends. And formal letters is also known as official letters that are written to government officials, business enterprises, editors of newspapers. These can be applications, invitations and complaints. Informal letters. Informal letters are written in a conversational style. Conversational means talking to each other. They express warmth and intimacy. When we are reading informal letter, we can feel the warmth of our parents, our friends, etc. Keep these points in mind while writing an informal letter. When we are going to write an informal letter, these are some points which we have to keep into our mind. Number 1. Address. Address of the sender should be written on the upper left hand side of the page, followed by the date. Example, here we have to write it down, the address. Here is the address, and this we have to write it down, followed by the date. The greetings can be written as Dear Father, My Dear Uncle, Dear Savita. Greetings, what greeting we have to pay it for our loved ones could be next, like Dear Mama. Then the letter should be divided into at least 3 paragraphs. The introduction, the body, this can be of more than 1 paragraph, and the conclusion. Then we are going to divide our letter into 3 parts. First is the introduction, next is the body, and the last is conclusion. And the letter with the closing salutate. When we are going to end our letter, we are going to end it with a closing salutate. Examples: your affectionately, your lovingly, your loving friend. Remember not to use apostrophe with yours. When we are going to write in the end, like this, we are going to close our letter. We are not going to use yours with apostrophe s. Here are the some points which we have to keep into our mind when we are writing informal letters. Informal letters. Now, formal letters. Formal letters can be written to make requests, suggestions, proposals, inquiries and complaints. They may be addressed to the heads of officers of institutions such as bank, railway, municipal corporation. You may also write to place and cancel an order and acknowledge receipt of consignments. So now when we are going to write a formal letter can be written to make requests, suggestions, proposals, complaints and inquiries. They may be addressed to head of the institutions or officers. And in that letters, you may also place and cancel an order and acknowledge the receipt of any consignments. Now here are some points which we should keep into our mind when we are going to write a formal letters. Number 1, formal letters are brief and to the point and are written in a neutral tone. Tone should be polite and that should be to the point in a brief manner. Number 2, sender's address and the date are written on the upper left hand side. As well as the informal letter, we are going to write a formal letter. Same pattern should be used here, like sender's address on the upper left hand side. Number 3, the recipient's name, designation and address are written on the left hand side below the sender's name. Same here, recipient's name, the sender's name, designation and address are also written on the left hand side below the sender's address. Here is writer's address. The next followed by the date. After that we have to write it down, the receiver's address, and then a formal letter always mention the subject at the beginning. It comes after the initial salutation and capture the objective of the letter in a single short sentence. Here is a salutation. Ma'am, O sir. Next is the common form of leave taking used are your faithfully and yours sincerely. Remember not to use an apostrophe in yours. Same as well as informal letters, we are going to write it down yours faithfully and yours sincerely into the end without using apostrophe in yours. Now here is our formal letter. So guys, now I think you can understand the letter better. I hope you guys understand this chapter better. Thank you.